Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to disable the login screen after your computer has woken up from sleep in Windows 10. So basically we're going to be complete bypassing the lock and sign in screen once we use our mouse to resume activity on our computer. Or keyboard, doesn't really matter. But once we're waking up from sleep, you won't have to go through the process of inserting a password again. So we're going to start by heading over to the start button, and we're going to left click on that, and then we're going to left click on settings, left click on the accounts tile on the right side here, left click on sign in options. The first option underneath requires sign in. If you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? If you left click on this little drop down arrow, we see there's a couple different options. When PC wakes up from sleep, this means we have to sign back in. If we left click on never, it means we will not need to reinsert our password, and technically we don't have to sign in again. So just to give you guys an example, now that we've saved that setting, there's no save or apply now button, so you can just safely close out of the settings window here. And let's say, for example, I power down and go into sleep. So let's say I'm going out or something and I just want to sleep the computer for a little bit. So I'm just going to let the virtual machine just sit here for a moment before I try and wake it up from sleep. Hello, so we just woke up from the computer and we can see that we did not have to go through the login process. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.